This is the Simply Lettering magazine. Now, this is issue number 11 from our friends at Practical Publishing. Now, as always, you get lots of ideas, and I'll show you some examples, but you also get this very clever sheet. They call it a lettering practice sheets. So you're going to see some alphabets with different styles of calligraphy, but you also have, so there's more, you also have these, which act as large templates for some projects that are in the magazine. So you kind of get a sneak peek right here, just seeing what's ahead of you. And there we go, lots of them. There we go, even more. There's a ribbon technique of doing that style of calligraphy. And in addition, you will also get 4 neon gel pens. Very, very fun and bright. Let's look inside the magazine. And I've highlighted a few areas that really caught my eye. This is doing decorative doodles. And I think this is such a fun technique, not only for doing calligraphy, but also on your tags, on your cards, lots of different areas. A little bit of doodles does a lot, and I thought that was very fun to share. And here we go into the bright blends. So there's the one that you saw in the practice sheets. Live your life in full color, and different ways that you can do that. This one is on bullet journaling, but I was just caught by that beautiful floral spray showing right there. And this is mindful modern calligraphy. So just different ways that you can use it. Tags is a perfect example. And here we go. This is called parallel pens, and I think it's really an interesting way of doing calligraphy, and you'll get all the details right there. This is called masculine makes, which is another word for making masculine cards, and I love the large lettering. It just plays very, very well. Here we go. This is word clouds. Now, if you're not familiar with that term, it's a lot of different things in different sizes on one document, and that's what they've done here. So you can take an idea and just kind of brainstorm other words that remind you of that. In this case, it's family love, and so you can see what they've done there and the fun way of doing calligraphy with that idea. Here is ribbon lettering that I talked about, and step by step how to achieve that. There's some shading and highlighting going on. This is gardening plans. I thought that was a really fun way to take your calligraphy to another level or to another location that you might not have thought of. This I thought was also interesting. So doing it on craft paper and turning it into wrapping paper. That was nice. This is some steps using those neon pens that are included. So that's helpful. Of course, you can do them on anything. Now, this is fabric fun, and I think that just gives another application for doing this work, and it's nice to see lots of different ways you can do it. And this is on lanterns, and I thought this was just quite beautiful. And you can do your folding templates, you can download it, and it gives you the website. So all of this is in the Simply Lettering issue 11 right here, right now from our friends across the pond. And I'm happy to tell you that this is exclusively here at paperwishes.com.